and welcome to today's video. Today we'll be making meatballs with tomato sauce, and the first ingredient is 500 grams of minced meat, then 1 egg, some parsley, 50 grams of parmesan or grana, then 400 grams of tomato sauce, 80 grams of breadcrumbs and some salt. Now you have to get the parsley and you have to chop it just like I did. Then you put the parmesan in, you put the parsley in, you get the egg, and then you get the salt and you put it in. Now we have to get a fork and we have to start mixing until it becomes very compact. Getting the breadcrumbs and putting them with the meat a bit at a time and keep on mixing. You get a container and you put breadcrumbs at the bottom of it, spread out equally. Then you make a tiny one and you put it right here. And you have to roll it. Then you get another one. And then you roll it again. And they have to be coated with this very well. Get a small onion and cut it in half and then cut that into little pieces. Then get a pan and put olive oil at the bottom of the pan. And the fire has to be quite tiny, small. Then you have to get the onions and you have to put them on top and you have to keep on mixing them until the color becomes golden. Now that I have fried them in the extra virgin olive oil and they have become golden, you get the meatballs and you put them in. Now let them cook for 2 minutes and keep on mixing very gently until both of the sides of the meatballs have become golden. Now that they have become golden, you can get the tomato sauce and you have to put it in, not all in once, but some at a time. Now you have to let it cook in a small fire for around 15 minutes and you can put a lid on top. We have finally finished our fantastic recipe. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you, bye!